Hey, what's up, my saints and sinners? It's Demon Ascended here again, back with another Mystery Power Booster Box from Pokemon. Today, I'm hoping to get that 1 in 10 chase packs. So we got the Scarlet and Violet, Obsidian Flames, Paradox Rift, Silver Tempest, and Brilliant Stars. It's the same set that we got last time. So I'm gonna be opening up this one first, the Silver Tempest. One, two, three, with an energy card in the back. We have the Leafy Camo Poncho, Pile of Sand, Metang, Sandile, Swirlix, Marini, Indeedee Female, Baltoy, Arcan, ooh, and a Reshiram card. That one's a good one. I really love Reshiram. She's my favorite legendary. I'm gonna put her over there. Now we're going to be opening the Brilliant Stars from Sword and Shield. Code card. 1, 2, 3. We have Cafe Master, Gabite, Grottle, Axew, Impidimp, Magmar, Riolu, Burmy, Trapinch, Flygon, and a Fighting Energy card. This pack was a little bit warped. I'm opening up this one next, the Scarlet and Violet starting pack. This is the first one of the set. Code card. And we got Rotom, Chansey, Rare Candy, Fido, Hypno, Sandaconda, Katie, whoops, really called her Caddy, didn't I? Magneton, Dedenne, Meowscarada, and a Fire Energy card. Well, that messed me up so badly. And we're opening up the Scarlet and Violet Obsidian Flames next. This one has a black border, so it's likely to have something good in it. We have Houndour, Combee, Diglett, Rowlet, Dartrix, okay, Darmanitan, Lanoon, Fungus, Faroki, Claydol, and a basic electric energy card. And last from this box, we're opening up the Scarlet and Violet Paradox Rift. Code card. We have Zubat, Gimmighoul, Purloin, Mienfoo, Minior Red, Crocolore, Tulip, Mela, Whismur, Golisopod, and a Psychic Energy card. So, this one we only got one good card in my opinion, and it is this Reshiram card. So if you guys enjoyed today's video and you want to see more, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and check out my socials in the description below. I'll see you guys next time. Have a wonderful day and bye!